The Indian Order of Merit was a military and civilian decoration of British India. It was established in 1837, although following the Partition of India in 1947 it was decided to discontinue the award, and in 1954 a separate Indian honours system was developed, to act retrospectively to 1947. For a long period of time the IOM was the highest decoration that a native member of the British Indian Army could receive, and initially it had 3 divisions. This was changed in 1911 when Indian servicemen became eligible for the Victoria Cross. A civilian division of the IOM also existed between 1902 and 1939. However, it was only conferred very rarely. History. The medal was first introduced by the East India Company in 1837 under the name Order of Merit, and was taken over by the Crown in 1858, following the Indian Mutiny of 1857. The name of the medal was changed in 1902 to avoid confusion with the British Order of the same name. The Indian Order of Merit was the only gallantry medal available to native soldiers between 1837 and 1907, when the Indian Distinguished Service Medal was introduced, and when the Victoria Cross was opened to native soldiers in 1911. Both divisions of the order were removed when India became independent in 1947. Recipients received the post-nominal letters IOM. The original object was to afford personal reward for personal bravery without reference to any claims founded on mere length of service and general good conduct. The medal. Military division. The medal was originally introduced with 3 classes, until others medals were made available to Indian soldiers, at which point it was reduced to 2 classes, and reduced to 1 class in 1944. A recipient technically needed to be in possession of the lower class before being awarded a higher class, although recipients were sometimes awarded the higher class if they performed more than one act of gallantry. Then they may have been awarded the higher class without receiving the lower one. The recipients of the order received increased pay and pension allowances and were very highly regarded. Civil division. A civil division was available in 2 classes between 1902 and 1939, when it was reduced to 1 class. The civil medal was rarely awarded. Description: 3rd class. 8-pointed dull silver star with blue circle, surrounded by silver laurels in the middle, with crossed swords and the words "awarded for valor." This was changed to "awarded for gallantry" in 1944. Conspicuous act of individual gallantry on the part of any native officers or soldiers, in the field or in the attack or defense of a fortified place, without distinction of rank or grade. 2nd class. 8-pointed shiny silver star with blue circle, surrounded by gold laurels in the middle, with crossed swords and the words "awarded for valor." This was changed to "awarded for gallantry" in 1944. To be obtained by those who already possessed the 3rd and for similar services. 1st class. 8-pointed gold star with blue circle, surrounded by gold laurels in the middle, with crossed swords and the words "awarded for valor." This was changed to "awarded for gallantry" in 1944. To be obtained in like manner only by those who possessed the 3rd and 2nd classes. Lieutenant Sardar Bahadur Ahmadullah Khan, Khan Bahadur, IOM, OB, IMD Class Order of Honor, Jagadar, an honorary magistrate. 2nd class Order of Merit for conspicuous gallantry, in action at Ghazi Kot on the Black Mountain on the 19th of March 1891, on which occasional, notwithstanding his being exposed to heavy fire, he performed his duties of attending to the wounded in a most energetic manner, and AMP also defended a wounded man against a fanatic who rushed up and endeavored to kill him. Good and meritorious service rendered with Waziristan delimitation escort were recognized by the P.M.O. in India in his letter No. 3106 dated 3 October 1895. Ribbon dark blue ribbon flanked by 2 red stripes of about a sixth of the width. Some recipients. Many IOMs were awarded until 1947, and some of these included all 21 soldiers of the detachment of 36th Sikhs, British Indian Army, which fought to the death against overwhelming numbers at the Battle of Saragai in 1897. Honorary Captain and Subedar Sardar Bahadur Sant Singh Mongat IOM DSM BI British Indian Army. Subedar Major and Honorary Lieutenant Ram Singh Kaila Bahadur IOM OB of 15 Ludhiana Sikhs, 82 Punjabis, IOM for gallantry at Shagrakotal Viday GGO No. 430 of 1898. OB Viday Gazette of India No. 872 of 1917. Subedar Bahadur Niaz Muhammad Khan IOM OB 7th Rajput Regiment, British Indian Army. 4 acts of gallantry on the Arkaran front in the Burma campaign in World War II. Viday Gazette of India No. 74H, dated 16 March 1944. Risaldar Bharat Singh, IOM of 7th Light Cavalry for gallantry in Burma. Viday Gazette of India No. 100H, dated 4 May 1944.